Hey, what's up, TechnoCrafters? Let's tackle one of the biggest producer challenges, creating an acid bass line that grooves and blends perfectly with your drums. I'm using D16 Group Fusion 2, my absolute favorite for acid bass lines, but I want to hear from you. If you've got a go-to VST for acid techno, share your picks in the comments and I might feature them in an upcoming video. Today I want to show you the incredible sound of D16 Devastor 2 and Ozone Maximizer when used together. And if you're still relying solely on Ableton's limiter on the master output while mixing, I guarantee you will want to switch things up after today. Here's why. This easy-to-use multiband distortion preset delivers 3 clear wins. The bassline stands out, the drums pack an extra punch, and it smoothes out those harsh hi-hats. Plus, it sets you up for much easier EQ and compression later on. If you want to grab this template, just let me know in the comments. I'll put it up for download on my website, and this video will walk you through how to recreate that same low end. I'll also link it here at the end of the video. The Devastor preset you're seeing here isn't part of the default Devastor 2 bank. However, for a limited time, you can download it for free from my website at brucemanel.com. And here's how to set it up. Create a folder on your computer for Devastor 2 user presets. Place the downloaded preset in that folder, and to import the preset, simply drag and drop the file into the preset browser. Now, place Devastor 2 at the end of the plugin chain on your master output and load the subglue pulse preset you downloaded. It should work wonders as it is, but let's dive into 3 key features of this plugin to perfect your acid bassline. This module right here is the Dynamics Flattener, and it helps balance your audio signal levels. It works similarly to a compressor, but is much easier to use since there is only one control knob. To use it correctly, bypass the drum bus to ensure the volume doesn't change too much. Let me show you how it's done. For this track, it was great at around 10%. Now let's have a look at the diode clipper. This is the core and most important part of Devastor. It replicates the behavior of an analog diode clipper circuit. You can adjust it to your liking, but don't push it too far since we'll also be using Ozone Maximizer's soft clipping feature. Let me show you how it works. It sounds best at around 16 dB. Now let's move on to the filters. Devastor provides you with 3 filter units to fine-tune your sound. The preset's already configured to sound great on the master output, but you might want to tweak the volume and frequency of filter 2 to enhance the 400 Hz range and add presence. Make sure to match the levels by checking the output level when you're done. Here's how you do it. And that's it for Devastor. Now just slap on Ozone Maximizer to get that loud, warm analog vibe. And if you want to see how to use this killer soft clip feature, check out the video popping up on your screen. Or if you want to know how to recreate that perfect kick from this project, click on that other video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I have many more tips and tricks to make your electronic music production smoother and way more fun.